So I don't know how it could have been mentioned.
Mr. Prasanna,
Anyway, Malad, I think we should go on with the hearing. I'm not objecting.
let's say object, and thereafter you are saying I am not objecting.
Because I was told that I should not be able to add anything. I had only put some just 5 pages.
Whatever is, this is for the first time, you know, after 75 years, that your lordships would be considering that the privileges with which the residents of Jammu and Kashmir have been deprived of till then, till date, have been conferred. And I'll make this submission good, that so far, Article 370 function as a detriment between the welfare scheme flowing from the center, the constitutional right flowing from the center, and the residents of Jammu and Kashmir. But second thing, but because of this confusion, whether it is temporary or permanent, there was a kind of a psychological duality which was in the minds of one particular region of our country, though since inception of the constitution, it became part and parcel of inalienable and integral part of India, but there remained a psychological duality, whether induced or otherwise. That, my lord, your lordships would end. Judgment going either way, my lord, that position would end. And third, my lords,
Mr. Solicitor, the first one, can you just in a sentence again formulate it? I somehow missed the first one.
yes. Lord, your lordships would find at the end
I
of
don't want to interrupt my learned friend, Malad, but the new volume has been added. 2 new volumes have been added, which were not there before, 2 days ago. I don't know, Malad. I may be wrong. I have no objection, Malad, but I just want to point that out.
it was added with the permission of the court before 6 days.
It was added, that's all I'm saying, Malad. The written submissions are new. I will not object to any of that because I don't believe in objecting to materials which are relevant for the court.
No,
Since the court told me.
permitted. We mentioned your lordship.
I'm not disputing, you may have mentioned. I'm just saying, Malad. I have still no objection, Malad.
Volume 3 are your submissions, Mr. Solicitor?
What, my lord, your lordship, my lord, the Chief Justice would recall, Lord, what we have done is my submission, the submissions of the learned attorney, and my lord, all our submissions are placed in one volume. Our submissions, my lord, were new and detailed after, my lord, hearing them. And thereafter, my lord, in a chronological order and with continuing pagination, they form part of volume number.
On Monday, when the solicitor mentioned in the morning, you informed us that the list of dates which has been filed by Mr. Sibal,
Yes, that is incorporated.
you are adopting the same list of dates, but where you are adding something,
Yes.
you are putting it all together, so we don't have to flip between list of dates.
Written submissions are all new here.
Lord, this
Are
could have
all
been
new.
objected
I'm
on
not
that
disputing.
day,
I
Lord.
still am not disputing.
I believe.
I still will not dispute, and I'm just saying, Malad.
Then let's start, my lord, because
I'm only saying, Malad, I was not allowed, that's all. All these are all new, but I don't mind, Malad, we'll answer.
What we had, when he mentioned on Monday morning, I think we asked him whether your notice has been given to everybody, and solicitor said yes. At that stage, I told the solicitor, instead of having 5 different list of dates, work on the list of dates which Mr. Sibal has submitted. I'd also mentioned it in the course of the hearing.
That's right, sir.
And in that list of dates, add what you are adding separately so that we know what has been the addition by the Union of India.
not only that,
All of us have one master list of dates that becomes much easier.
I don't know. It would have been better if this objection would have been raised because these. Let's not, my lord, when people are watching, let's not be, my lord, school children like objections, my lord. It was given on that very day at night.
No, it's because the
Not
court
right,
Apart from that,
not
please
informed.
hold your tongue.
Document is created on 24th August, which is today. The PDF says it's created 24 August. So I don't know how it could have been mentioned.
Mr. Prasanna.
Anyway, Malad, I think we should go on with the hearing. I'm not objecting.
Let's say.
Object, and thereafter you are saying I am not objecting.
Because I was told that I should not be able to add anything. I had only put some just 5 pages.
Whatever is,
Sibal,
assuming that
your submission also
it would have resulted in many more people.
That's why, Malad, I didn't press it.
I don't think we should go on this.
But even that has been taken note of.
That's all I'm saying.
So Gopal Shankar Narayan was here from day one. He could have told us, but my lord, I must make a positive statement. Before we mention before your lordships, the previous night, this was placed on record with a service to all. They were aware, and my lord, they knew that this is the master list of dates which all of us on this side will rely upon.
Your
But
Lordship,
Mr.
may I clarify?
One second. Mr. Solicitor, on your master list of dates, I hope you have maintained the integrity of the original list of dates.
Yes.
Where you want to add something that you have indicated to us in a separate note or separate color or track change.
What I have done is, my lord, I believe at the outset that it seems my list of date contains something, because this first objection appears to be the best point now, after my lord, this list of dates. But leave it at
No,
that.
Mr. Solicitor, the reason why we ask you is, when one sits down to dictate the judgment, I hope in the list of dates, we will know what is Mr. Sibal's part and what is your part. So long as that is there, it's no difficulty for us.
Come to page 1 of my list of dates.
So long as it is there, we accept your word for it, but so long as your juniors have prepared it in that way, there's no difficulty.
Mr. Sibal, only a minute. Mr. Sibal's submission are incorporated in that general common list of dates in italics in blue color, saying KS, means that's the list of dates of Mr. Sibal.
And whatever you wanted to add, you've added in a separate font or whatever, then there's no difficulty.
Nobody has any issue with the list of dates. It's just that if you are filing something, they should tell everybody. What has been done today is there are 107-page list of dates which is filed.
Mr. Prasanna knows everything was served. You please tell me, this is what a nodal council is supposed to do.
Yes.
So please a moment. The learned solicitor's written submission, apart from the list of dates, has somehow ballooned from 18 pages to 139 pages. And a lot of it in very fine print. Now, I mean,
I'll put it the para.
Airdrop 3 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, I got it on airdrop.
Huh?
So that.
But from Mr. Prasanna, not by me.
If you're, nobody, when Mr. Sibal says he has no objection, yes, there's.
But from your nodal council, he gave you date, my lord.
Yes, may I clarify?
We can.
Mr. Prasanna is trying to say something for last 5 minutes.
Yeah, Mr. Prasanna.
Yes.
My
We
lord.
were-
Just one second. Let's have a word from the young junior
It
here.
was certainly served last week, Your Lordship. I had not been informed that it had been allowed by the court, which is why I could not circulate it forward. So that was.
So
It was uploaded on Sunday night. Your lordships can check up now. Everything, my lord, is possible to be ascertained and verified.
to say that it was emailed to him on Sunday night with a copy to Mr. Prasanna.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, that's correct. That's
In fact,
correct.
we should-
It was
I
not
don't
circulated
find
because
fault
it had
with
not
it.
been
It's
allowed
not
by the
saying
court.
that
That is
it
not
has
something
come.
that I had been informed that it had been allowed by the court. That was where the gap is.